No, look at that damn thing. They're dancing. Look at that. Where's the apple? You want to eat it?
What is this?
Let's eat. Let's bite it.
I'm ready. It's for my birthday.
Oh, wow.
Huh? This is what I want.
This is what you want?
For my birthday.
Let me see.
You get the point? You understand?
I think these are too big.
Is it too big?
Yes.
We're going through the corn maze right now. Yeah, they also got
See?
Oh.
So now your receipt is in the garbage safe. Yeah.
Is that my receipt?
I think so.
Oh, is that it?
I think so.
Oh, you had given us the receipt already, right?
Yeah, it say corn right here.
Okay.
It say 2 corn. Yeah, 2 corn.
Okay.
Destination. Your destination is on the right.
We are at Fishkill Farms. We are here for apple picking today. It's a beautiful Saturday.
We're in
Always in
Dutchess
New York
County.
State of mind.
It's
Dutchess
a big
County.
place, man. This place is huge.
It's huge. Look at the parking lot.
Tell me about it.
Look at the parking lot.
Oh my
I think we
God.
could let's check out those. I'm not sure if this is where they said to.
Yeah,
Oh no, see tents up there. Look how
oh, look, they have jerk chicken.
it's
Right.
huge jerk chicken. Wow.
That's jerk chicken. Yeah, jerk chicken.
Wow.
I'm gonna shut your phone up.
Oh, look, that's a bag you pick. How many bags we gonna take, Stacey? Ann?
We're gonna purchase one bag.
Yeah, because we can't eat all of that.
Look at this Porsche up in front of us.
Oh, somebody in the front.
Porsche.
Only a house.
This is a nice Ranger.
Trying to take the pumpkin sign.
Look at that tractor. I'm gonna drive that when I come
Somebody's
back.
gonna sing.
Oh, it's hot.
That's where the fun activities are going
Food
on.
line.
Alright, so how far did we go for
Bienvenido,
apple picking?
bienvenido.
Apple picking, keep driving.
We are going to the farm.
Pumpkin picking too. Satai, you want to do pumpkin picking too?
Yeah.
Listen, where you want to change it, man?
Oh, maybe it's
Oh
right
my
here.
gosh, we can get a.
Maybe we need to act right
We
here.
can even get a tractor ride.
Yep.
So we really park the car. Oh, up there. No. So those are the wagons that take you to the farm. That's the farm right here. This is the near farm. So we have to buy a bag.
Yep.
Jay.
We have to buy a bag right here. So this is a huge farm. They have a lot of different stuff going on over here. Check out shed. I guess you have to show your checking out there. I don't know. And it is
yeah.
huge.
In here? It's in the car?
Huge farm.
Yeah. So we got our bag.
That's a small bag for
Fishkill.
$40.
We got our $40 bag for apple.
Oh my God,
Let's see if we can fit $40 worth of apple in here.
That's like crazy.
As soon as you put one apple in there,
It'll be full, right?
and then it,
Well, I guess it's the experience. We're here for the
as soon as
experience.
you put four
Not
apples,
really the apple.
as soon as you put 6 apples in there,
So we have
it'll
to go
just
park up
become
there.
40 more.
Homestead, Macintosh.
Pears. We're gonna get pears.
Wagon too. Like, where did they get a wagon?
I don't know about the wagon, but I'm gonna get me some.
Satai pick.
Satai's not even waiting
Let
for
me
us.
see. Let me see what you got.
Satai already picked his apple.
You gotta bite it. Satai, Jesus Christ. This one is not as.
This is
Yo, that's not even washed yet, bro.
Bite it. Bite it.
just came off the tree.
Bite it.
No!
Look at it. Look at Oral. Satai picked his first apple. Oral already
Dude,
bite
that's
into
so
it.
dirty!
It's not dirty. You picked it off the tree, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's okay. Come. Oh, there's apple on the near trees too. We just got into the farm, but Satai grabbed an apple already. Yeah, there's a lot of apple on this tree here. Or I thought you said the trees close by are empty.
They're not empty, but you
I
don't.
thought you said they're empty, huh?
They're
See
not
how
empty.
much you know?
They're not empty, Stacey, but why would you want to pick the one close by? The riffraff would be at the front.
You got another apple? You
What's
picked
this
it up
here?
off the ground? That don't look
No.
good.
No, you picked it, but
You
look.
picked it off the tree?
Yeah, but it's not.
But it has something in there. Where's our apple bag?
You have to take the bag. It's in the car.
I gave you the bag, Oral.
You did not give me the bag. You gave me Ramses.
I gave you Ramses.
Yeah, you gotta go get the bag. Why did we bring the stroller to put
Guys,
him
we're
on one of
reporting
the
live
wagon?
from the Fishkill Farm. Okay, my son Satai already got his first red apple. Is that Granny Smith?
I don't know. No.
I don't know what he got, but he got it. And look who's eating his apple. His dad. Why are you eating Satai's first apple
That
from
means
the
you with
apple
the
farm?
leaf on it. Look
Huh?
at
With
that.
a leaf and everything. Ramses, can you tell me why you're still in your dad's hand?
Because apple is on the ground.
We're in the apple farm. You should be enjoying yourself. All right, guys, let's go. Our friends are waiting. They're waiting by the corn maze, I was told. So let's get going.
Okay.
Oh, Ramses wanted his own apple. Your second apple? Got your first big
look
apple?
At this.
Good job, Ramses.
From the top.
Good
Pick
job,
this one, pick this one.
Ramses.
That one.
I want to pick
Let him pick it.
Hold it.
Yes. Good job.
Hold it,
Hold it,
hold it,
Ramses.
hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Go
Hold it.
ahead.
Oh.
good.
Oh.
Good job.
I want to pick one from the top.
You can't reach. You have
You
to
gotta-
pick
you
one
gotta
that you can
have
reach
to.
the
No,
time.
lift me up.
Good job, Ramses.
You got an
Lift
apple.
me up so I can.
No, look at that Ramses. That's awesome. Look at that.
This doesn't look all that.
Awesome.
I'm not sure I like the way these look. Oh, I don't like the way it is.
You're not using. Are you using the wagon?
Bad.
Oh, yeah, you have to rent stuff.
Oh, you have to take it back. Okay.
Yeah.
So literally
This way,
wiping it on my
Satai.
pants. Come, Satai.
Satai, this way.
Satai, let's go. Wiping it on my pants.
We should have rented a wagon.
I'm gonna take a bite.
We should have.
Goes up by the.
I know. We should have rented a wagon. So now I'm the wagon. Why did we rent a wagon? No, you rented this
Should
wagon.
have rented a wagon.
Yes.
So I can
Yeah.
pick a lot.
But you're the wagon. We'll take turns on your neck.
Okay. No, I'm the wagon.
Ramses first, then Satai, and Mommy.
This thing here, old man,
Yeah,
have a phone.
Oh, yeah, I'm not down on the farm.
Mm-hmm. They're saying, yeah.
Sing.
With a moo here and a moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo.
All right, we're at the Satai. Come, we need to go to the corn maze. I think it's that way.
You sure? You sure that's the corn maze says here?
I don't know. I think we're gonna go pick our apples first before we decide to indulge. What do they have there? Hooked menu. Oh, hot dog and stuff. Lemonade, tequilas, Oral. Gonna go have a drink? No, you're driving. No way. Oh, look at how big that is. Ramses, when you're ready to use the potty, check it out over here.
Land is important. Land is one of the most important things you could ever do.
There's not gonna be any more.
More, it's never gonna be anymore.
Don't drop the GoPro.
This is the stop?
No, this is Macintosh.
Can we park right there? No, we can just walk right here. Park right there.
Remember where you parked? Mommy, it says more for the head. Keep walking when it's in by the corn maze. Mommy, Macintosh.
The thing about like being dropped off over here is it's hard to get back on.
Oh, it's gonna be full going.
Always.
Yeah. So you gotta go to the last stop and then. Where's the apple? You wanna eat it?
Anyway, what is this?
Let's eat. Let's bite it. You want to bite?
Keep walking.
Bite. Bite. You don't want to bite? Stacey and is getting apple. Oh, look at this. Anybody could pick from this one. Ramses, you want to pick one?
Where's the tie?
Ramses don't want to pick from this one. Right, Ramses?
Ramses, you can make you something right now. Ramses, come here. Ramses, go and pick.
Pick one there, Ramses.
Right here, Papa.
Oh, that's fiber.
Here.
You should eat some apples, boy. Get that.
Pick for mommy. Pick for mommy. You pick that one?
Oh, wow. Pick another one, Rams.
No, that one has something on it.
Pick another.
Yeah, that's okay. You can pick.
Yeah, pick this one. Wow, you're so strong.
Bag.
You want to put it in the bag?
Put it in the bag, Ramses.
Oh, good job. Oh. All right, pick a bigger one, Ramses.
No, that's okay. We don't. There's so many apples here. We can.
We don't have to take that one off the ground.
Literally leave it if it's on the ground.
I know you don't want to waste it, but it's a lot of apple here. I'm gonna pick this one. Stacey, you want to put this one in your bag?
Let's find the pie crust from Aldi.
Oh, look at this one.
Them up and stew them.
Stacey, look at this. This one is nice over here.
These look
delicious.
better. These trees are loaded.
Yeah, take this one.
Mommy, I got 3 apples.
You got 3
Yeah.
apples? Yeah.
Satai.
Those are look green. Because I want.
Baby.
We gotta pick, choose, and refuse because
No, Dad! Why are you doing
We have to pick the one that's are really
ones that are
rosy.
These are these the same?
The rosy.
the sexy ones that look like that.
These are Fuji?
When JD is running now, he's gonna get tired soon and then. Stacey, you gotta taste them first. If you see a bunch, let me taste them. I'm the taster here. I know a good taste.
I know you know the taste.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this. Look at this.
You taste that one. Let me see.
Oh my
Wipe it
god.
off though. I don't like when it looks like.
Ramses, you want to taste? Oh my god.
Sweet?
This is good, yeah.
For real?
Mhm.
Oh my god. Let me try one over there.
This is like ripe,
real
yeah. Mhm.
These are ripe.
These are ripe, yeah.
Wow.
Mhm.
This might be soft.
These are ripe, yeah. These are soft.
One is smaller, but yeah, they're ripe.
These are ripe.
What, these are what?
Ripe.
Give me a call.
Yeah, pick one from that. You see?
You touch it and it
Yeah,
falls.
yeah.
Get the one that's soft.
You wanna go on my neck? Come.
It's like the one I get in the store.
Ramses. You wanna go on my neck or no?
Say hi. We have too many apples.
Ramses, you're running.
I got some tiny
I don't want those. Those are.
I got tiny apples.
We need big clusters. How to fly.
Only farms that grow organic berries and apples.
Hello. Good job.
Where are the
I like these.
pier?
Oh, they're gonna be that way.
Okay. It's filling up her bag of apple now.
Oh, I can barely manage it.
Let's go. It's time to go. It's time to go. No, not we going out to the front.
In the apple farm.
In the apple farm. All of these apples, but at some point you don't want to eat a lot. You try some and then the rest is just like, you know, it's just for the experience more than eating it. Stacey, and you want to pick some more of this one?
I want to take a picture in front of the apple.
It's a lot of apple. All right, you can stay there. I'll take you.
I want to take a picture with all of us. Where's my middle child?
He's running around.
Look at this
everybody else.
one. Look at this one. Ramses, do you want to pick an apple here or we're ready?
Yeah,
All right, we can get a, maybe we can ask them to take a picture of all of us.
Yeah, you
When
could.
we get up there then. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
So around, people taking their selfie here. Lots of dust. She went to I guess she went to fill her bag over there.
You want to what?
Fill her bag, guys. People bring their apple picking apparatus.
Yes, you guys are not ready.
It's a little dust. Oh, these are farm workers?
Yeah.
Like Jamaican farm workers? These some. Oh, Colleen, know people here. Colleen, you got the
Been
hookah?
here already.
Okay.
Meet her last time she comes.
Oh.
Surprising, recognize her.
Okay.
Know that she's back.
Because they come early in the process and they do all the cleaning and the stuff and so
What
forth.
fly?
Because fly is gonna come for food, Jaden. There's a lot of stuff here. It's a lot of
City
food.
kids, I can't.
You know, you scared of the fly? The fly loves the nectar from the apple, and bees love it as well. Stacey, and your bag is full now?
Yes.
Wow.
I wasn't gonna leave without it being full.
Okay. You think you're full too prematurely? Because you may be able to put better ones in there.
Because what?
You may be able to put better ones in there, like sweeter ones.
Well, I'll exchange them if they look sweeter, if they taste sweeter.
Okay.
Be careful.
Oh, the bees
There's
like
a bee right
the
there.
bees buzzing on them.
Ah!
The bees buzzing.
Apples in the car.
Yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna do that too. Yeah. So the A right back. Oh, pumpkin.
We're gonna put the apples in the car, Miss Merle.
Or
We'll be back.
Ow, my eyes swollen.
$4 per person, and then we pay $40. So guys, Oral took the bag of apple because he just think I'm not fit enough to carry the apple. Seriously, Oral?
I think we could put some more in it. Cynthia,
Yeah, we
you
can
bring
get some more in it.
you bring all the trash.
Yes,
Look, you bring
that's
the
a
trash.
part of the experience.
To bring the trash home.
To bring the trash
Why
home.
would you?
You don't need to take out the trash right
Why
now.
would you bring the trash?
Let's go.
Oh my god.
Let's go put the bags down. Right, Ramses? Ramses is tired.
Oh.
Ramses wanted cookie,
Oh, you gotta go weigh your pumpkin.
cookie and water. You have to weigh the pumpkin?
I think so. I see people in
Why?
line. I don't know. I see the weigh the pumpkin.
Okay.
We didn't even do the mazes
We're
yet.
gonna go, I'm gonna go through there. We can't leave and not do it. We're gonna come back, guys, and go through the cornfield.
Oh, there's a lot of apples.
Yes, we can share.
It's a lot.
Maybe you can bake us an apple pie, sweetie, because I don't know what to bake, so you can do the baking.
Stacey, and you're very strong. You know this is heavy.
Yes, I know I'm strong.
Wow.
That's why I'm like, why are you like
Wow.
underestimating how much I can manage?
I'm impressed. I'm really impressed.
Listen, I'm strong enough to carry you if you're sick. Oh, well, maybe I can draw you. Maybe I won't carry all the
When we did the lifting challenge, you could have lifted me.
I couldn't lift you.
Yeah,
Wow,
so-
that's true.
And I'm
I'm not
that
as
heavy.
strong as I make out to be, but I'm still very strong. You gonna come back and get some to eat
Yeah,
here?
we'll come back. Yeah.
Yeah.
But look, this could fit more apple though. What do you want to do?
We'll get some more after. We see that they're the green ones when we first came here.
Okay.
We could get some green ones. Oral took out all the trash so we can get more apples. It's a lot. This farm is so big. Look how beautiful the sky is right now. Oh, such a beauty. Ramses, please don't sleep. Ramses,
He's not sleeping.
stop sleeping.
He's just tired. He's
He's
a lot
tired.
of walking. He did a lot of.
We're going through the corn maze right now.
Find an exit.
This corn is oops. Got
You
this
can't
one
go that way, Satai.
all dry.
Once it's backed
This
off,
way, Satai. Satai, follow the path. Satai, please follow the path. You're small? All the corns are dry. Come, let's find our way in the maze. Ramses, so you're gonna walk?
nope.
Sorry. Ramses, can you walk?
Okay, look.
This way or that way?
What are we gonna do with these dry corn?
Make a right.
Huh?
Make a right.
Make a right.
Oh, look.
Okay.
I know. They're going to use this to plant again.
Ah.
Wow.
Why is there hair in them?
You want to take one, Satai?
No, I don't think so.
Why is there hair in them?
Take a corn, man.
Why is there hair in them?
Because corn always have here.
It doesn't even look good.
You could take it and use. That's not for
Plant
food.
it? No, I know.
You could take it
What
for
are we
like.
doing with it?
Take it for like
Oh, we're supposed to take a flag if you get lost.
Yeah.
I guess.
Oh, we didn't even do that. See?
Yeah, they were giving out flags, but they ran out.
Oh,
They ran out.
I see.
Oh. Wow.
Family of 7.
Yeah, I know.
Beautiful family.
We were in the middle of the maze, Madison fucking me. Oh!
I'm gonna raise my corn when I get
You
out.
raise your corn when you get
Yeah,
lost.
yeah.
Okay.
What a stick.
Hopefully
Oh.
we don't get lost.
It's a dead end.
This is a dead end?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, right here is a dead end.
Okay.
Oh, Ramses, you're gonna do some walking.
What?
Oh.
We're just strolling through the
Corn's not for
maze.
eating, right, Dada?
No, it's
It's
just
so beautiful.
it's just for
Does
maze.
not feel like an October day.
A dead end!
Dead end? Okay, so we don't go there.
I can go through there.
Ramses, what's up? You're tired? You're in that matching color shirt today.
Oh, you don't want to get down. I'm
we
telling you.
noticed that. You want to stay in your hood where you're safe.
Stepped on the acorn, Dada.
Okay.
Where you safe. So,
Dead
Oral,
end.
they can plant these corn again, you're saying?
I think so. I think so.
I think we're just turning around in circles. Oh, nope, we're not. I thought it was going back down the same.
I
Oh.
think we didn't.
Oh,
Let's hope we can get out
holy
of here.
shit. We're going around in circles.
Round and around and around and around we go. Now tell me, now tell
Wait,
me,
stop.
now tell me, now.
Wait, I'm gonna take you back up.
Ramses,
Oh,
say hi.
Oh.
Excuse me, Satai, excuse me. Go ahead, sorry. Ramses! Are you having fun apple picking, Oral?
I'm having fun because I'm with the kids, you know?
You having fun chilling with the kids?
Yeah.
I think somebody
That's
called my name.
What about me?
I think somebody called
Well-
my name.
The kids first, you second.
You know you like hanging out with me.
The kids first, then you come second.
You know you like hanging out with me. Mwah.
You second.
I'm second?
Yeah, the kids are.
No, I'm so. Kids are supposed
The
to be
kids are
first in their
first.
own class, and I'm first in my own class.
Well, I guess. Go straight ahead.
Tempting.
Straight.
Are you reading signs, Oral?
There's no signs here.
Because you keep saying make a ride, go straight ahead, and I'm thinking you're reading
Go-
signs. I'm
go
like,
straight ahead.
Go for it.
you actually reading signs.
That's a dead end.
Dead end, dead end.
Make a left.
Never left.
Yeah, make a left.
All right, guys, we'll tell you if we find our way out this maze.
Oh.
Okay?
Oh my God.
What? You
Oh.
find your way out
Yeah.
already?
Yeah, it's right here. Yeah.
Did we even cover all? Listen, we're out before we even know it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh look, they crossed it.
Yeah,
Under the thing.
yeah, they're like, I'm not taking the path.
Yeah, they crossed it
Path
under.
might lead us astray. It's for my birthday.
Oh wow.
Huh? This is what I want
This is what you want?
for my
Let me
birthday.
see.
You get the
Wow.
point? You understand?
I think these are too big.
Is it too big?
Yes.
Check them out. They're good though.
Hold on.
Check them out. I think they're perfect. I can walk. Look, yes, I can walk with them. Ah, they're equal in size. Go. Jump before you get to
Pumpkin
me.
patch. A lot of people pick pumpkin from here, and you still have a lot
All right,
of
that's
pumpkin
good.
here. But some are smashed.
Wait, let them pass.
Some
Take
are a
off your
little
coat.
soft now. You still have a lot there. Seta is running up and down. And Ramses is resting on my shoulder.
All right, Ted, come. These are some of the different kinds of apple they have on the farm. Let's start with Sweet 16, ripe pygmy and ready to eat. Let's see what's next. Liberty. This is Liberty again, ripens late September. So those are, yeah, there's a lot on there still. Crimson Crisp, late September. And then same here, same there. Let's see what else they have. Gallerina. This is late October, but there's still some Gallerina on the tree. Yeah. No, there is Gallerina on the tree, even though they said late September. These are small though, so maybe they're not quite ready. Yeah, this is very tiny. William's Pride. See what else? Pinata. Enterprise. So many different apples. Whoa, Enterprise again. Hudson Golden Gem. We didn't get any of the Hudson Golden Gem. Let's try one. This one looks nice. This one too. Golden Gem. King David. This is Satai's apple. Shizuka. Huh. There's so many different apples, guys. I don't think I can walk out the whole farm to tell you all the different kinds of apple. Let's see. There's some green ones over here. Let's check them out. These are called Gold Rush. Gold Rush. Oh, don't pick me. I need more time to ripe. Oh, to ripen. Wow. So I'll pass this one by. They're not ready. Don't pick me. Interesting. So they label every different kind of apple and tell you if it's okay to pick them or not. That's nice. And so there's so much more to see, but I don't think I'm gonna go any further. And just head back to the car.
The sign, those are not right.
I know, I saw.
Those are right.
I was just telling the vlog that it tells you when they're ripe.
And those are picked out already.
They're picked out, yeah.
But look, right?
The pinatas are all gone.
Look at that one.
Which one?
Look at
Enterprise?
that one. Look how many is on the tree. Look.
Enterprise said not ripe. Where did I get these? Oh no, this is not where I got it.
That one is like
William Pride, picked out, yeah. So you see, they're all picked out in that section, William Pride.
sure.
These says ripe,
Look at
right?
this one. There's a lot in this one.
Yeah, there's a lot here and there,
That's,
so it's time to pick.
Gallerina. Pick one of those for me. Let me taste
Pick one, yeah, let's pick one of the Gallerina for oral.
I feel like after a while you're like, okay, I'm bored.
Trying to find you a good one. I'll find you a juicy Gallerina apple. Okay. Guys, he wants to pay me a penny to find him the juiciest one. You guys help me pick out which one should I pick. I'll take this one. This one. These are not so big, but they look like they look good. I'll take this and then let me find him another 2. Oh, these are very small. All right, I'm just gonna go with this one, guys. What do you think? This one. All right. So, I have 4 apples in hand. So, I'm not sure I can fit any more. Unless I'm gonna tuck one underneath my arm like this. And now I have space for one more. Look at that. You can tell I grew up with my grandmother, right? I know where to hide stuff. I know where to hide stuff. All right, darling, look what I brought you.
You bought those juicy ones?
Oh, these are tiny ones.
These are small.
Oh my God.
That's why I brought 3. Is it good? Please tell me. It's not good? It's not good. Oh. It's sour? Uh-oh.
Oh, I saw it.
I did bad. Let's see. All right, we're going to go. We're going to go. Guys, those weren't good. All right, just eat one of the ones. Well, now you know. I think what this one was, what? Galleria? Gallerina is, I guess it's not all that. I have these. I don't remember where these are from.
Those are not ripe.
Those are not ripe? Yeah. No, they're ripe. Sweater on today? Okay.
Are they at the restaurant?
You tie your sweater around you?
Yeah, but are they
I
at
left
the
my sweater. I should get it. It's
Are they at the
it's getting
restaurant?
chilly.
Are they at the restaurant?
I'm not sure. So guys, we picked our apples.
Yeah.
We took pictures with the pumpkin, but I'm not sure we
Mommy,
want to get
you
any
buy
pumpkin.
a phone? You buy your phone?
A phone? I
Yeah,
didn't
you
buy
buy
any
your
phone.
phone?
And now we're walking to the food court area to get something to eat.
Did you bring your phone?
I have my phone in my
Your phone?
Where's my phone? Satay, you might be right. Oh, it's in the bag. My phone is in the bag. It was so hot earlier, and now it's still beautiful out, but it's getting a little windy. So we had to put Ramsey's sweater on. He's chilly. Oral has his sweater on his waist there, and Satay does
But
the
the sun is out, so it's still.
But it's still
sun is
so
out.
sunny.
Say
Yes.
cheese!
So beautiful.
Say cheese!
The cloud had covered the sun for a little bit for now.
Yeah.
Say cheese!
No,
I
the
didn't take the picture. It's spread.
And then it feels windy, but once we're in the sun, it's so much better. But Ramses is sleepy, so I think it's better we just put his sweater on so he can be comfortable. And now we're going to the food trucks. I was about to check out the roast corn.
Yep, you're right.
Or always
You'll
want
be
a
right.
roast corn. Look, he's passing it by. Oh, he's joining the line. I know, he's always want a roast corn. Everywhere Oral.
Some stuff, so she's back in the line. We're getting soda for Satay. Normally Satay can't get soda, but because I guess we are out, you get a reprieve. But normally no soda. I'm gonna get corn. Of course, I can't go without it. We're gonna pick up food here. And Rams is still sleeping.
I need one.
You get your corn already, Tracy?
I need a tissue.
Having some special fries.
Why did you get soda for Satay?
Rosemary. I think we can all
What kind of fries is that?
some rosemary.
That's all you're gonna get Satay? You don't want anything else?
He doesn't want
How does it taste?
I want a jerk steak.
I thought you said you didn't want it. We asked you because you wanted to be on the tractor over there. So now there's no jerk chicken for him because we already paid. You brought him on the tractor already?
No, we went to get the fries.
What Ramsey is gonna eat when he wake up?
We're hoping that when Ramses get up, we're down.
No?
We're down in Westchester. We can get food.
You know, I want something from here.
I know. I know
Okay.
it's gonna happen.
Okay.
There's not much that they're gonna.
So this
eat
is
here.
at Fishkill Farm. Oh, they have their own. I think their own food thing. So it's not like outside vendors. I know. I think they do their own thing here. This is our first time here. I think we kind of like it, so we might come back
What,
another
next
time.
year?
No, they probably have other stuff other than the.
Right, because they do have other.
They had an activity here, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not necessarily only. Oh, look who we found! Somebody we know. I know she was gonna do that. I know she was gonna do it. That's why I did it. Anyway, Setai having his food.
Yeah.
Setai having his stuff. We're gonna pick up food. It's like it's 5 o'clock. We didn't eat all day. What time is it?
Shit,
What time is
I
it?
forgot we didn't eat. Well, now you're gonna enjoy
This is
your
our
corn
first meal.
and your and your vegan.
Other than
burger.
all the apple that we eat, this is our first meal. Literally our first meal for the day.
We're
Damn,
good.
damn, first
We'll
meal.
take 2 pounds off.
The fire is bubbling. They had what? Fish?
Oh, we have to show him the receipt. Yeah, they also.
Mommy,
See?
Oh,
So now your receipt is in the garbage safe. Yeah.
is that my receipt?
I think so.
Oh, is that it?
I think so.
Oh, you had given us the receipt already, right?
Yeah, I say corn right here.
Okay.
You say 2 corn. Yeah, 2 corn.
Okay. We're waiting for you.
No, we needed the receipt. We have it. Oh, we have it. Yeah. You have it. I gave it to you.
This one that you gave us.
I gave you one. 2 is on the Stacy.
All right, thank you.
She got
This
it
one
already.
has the 2 corns on it.
That one have it too. She have one already.
I think.
Remember the girl gave you 2 receipts. She
She
came
gave
back.
one for Thacia and 2 for you guys. Because
Okay,
Thacia ordered.
That's the other one.
Yeah.
So 2 was for you and 2 was for Thacia.
Yeah.
Yeah, I totally.
I
Okay,
think
so
we're
show
good.
him the receipt.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, president.
So you want one more?
You gotta trade that.
Or maybe you couldn't go any faster.
Yes? Okay, wait.
Over there. It's amazing. Yeah, for donut. It's crazy. You want to join the donut line, Stacey?
Nanny, I'll take it.
Oh, they find a seat over here. Wow.
Or I got the roast corn.
to wash your hands.
And this is my veggie burger.
Did you guys touch a sheep?
And they got
Oh, they were at a sheep?
they got salt.
You touched the sheep.
So,
Yeah.
Wait, I don't want that. I'm driving to
you want to get on? Rams just want to get on, man.
I'm driving to the corn. I'm driving to the apples.
Apples?
Rams, look at Rams. He's loving it.
Came, we had fun, we picked lots and lots of apple.
Lots of apple.
Oral said the place is dusty. It is a farm, but it's all
The
good.
only apple they have here, they have everything.
I'm trying to find where the lighting is best.
We saw sheep. We
Yeah.
saw goats.
Come this
I
way,
don't-
the
no, I
lighting
didn't.
seemed to be better this
No, we
way.
didn't see any goats.
We didn't see any
We
goats.
saw sheep. We saw. They have like tomato,
Yeah, they have
onion.
Who had
Corn.
tomatoes? I didn't see.
There's a lot of different, yeah.
I didn't see sheep or
But
tomato or
obviously from the
strawberries.
apple picking you can do.
Yeah.
I guess,
And
yeah.
pumpkin, you can get pumpkin.
Oh yeah, pumpkin as well.
Yeah.
We went to the pumpkin patch, but we didn't take any because some were already loose.
Yeah,
but
we
who's gonna
weren't.
carve a pumpkin? I don't want to carve no pumpkin
Yeah.
for Halloween.
Satai would carve, but
Yeah, we should have taken it. I
we,
really wanna go
we
back and
didn't.
get it.
No, we're not going back. It's okay. We had some, Oral had some, well, I think we should picture early. Oral had a vegan burger and corn, and I had some corn and fries with Satai.
Wait, mommy.
And this is $40
Where
worth
did-
of apple.
Look how much apple we have.
$40.
Wait,
It's a lot of apples.
where is the sheep?
It's a lot of apples. But yeah, we had to make sure the bag was full. Can you guys see?
$40.
Because after we paid $40 plus entry fee, the bag better be full.
Can I say something?
I'm gonna
Wait,
pay for
Satai.
everybody anyway.
Yeah, so anyways,
Can I say something?
I hope you guys enjoyed walking around the farm with us. What happened, Satai? Hold on. I'll let you say something. What do you want to say?
Thanks for watching. Bye. Wait, can I say something else?
What?
Where did you guys see sheeps and strawberries?
We'll talk about that after when we're driving out and we're exiting.
Oh, okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.
Later.
Bye now.
Later. Peace out.
Ah.